Before we do the migration to Joomla 3, it's important that you spend a little bit of time cleaning up your existing website. To do that, log into your administrator. And what we need to do is to remove all the trashed articles, categories and menu items that we might have created in the past. After all, if we've deleted them, we really don't need to migrate them to our new website. Let's start with the articles. Go to the Content menu and select Article Trash. Here you can see all the articles that at some point in the past we have deleted into the trash can. And now we need to permanently delete them from our website. If you select the checkbox at the top here, you will see that all the articles will be listed, and then you can click on the delete icon in the top right. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to permanently delete the items, which we do, and now the items have been deleted. You must do the same for any menu items that have been deleted as well. Go to the Menus link and select Menu Trash. Now of course you may not have any menus in your trash, but if you do, like I do, again select them all by clicking on the box at the top and then click on the delete icon and confirm that you do indeed wish to permanently delete all the menu items from the trash. The next stage in preparation for our migration is to make a note of any additional extensions that we have added to our website and wasn't shipped with the core Joomla installation. To see them, go to the Extensions menu and select Install Uninstall. From this page we can see various options. If you select Components, on this screen we can see all the components that are installed in our Joomla website. That's both the components that ship with Joomla and any extra ones that we have added. At the bottom of the list you'll see various components that are greyed out. We can ignore those, they're part of Joomla. But here we can see the 7 that are not greyed out. Some of those are part of Joomla and some of those are add-ons. We can see that if we go to the author column, if it says Joomla project, it's part of Joomla and we can ignore that. The ones which have different author names are ones that have been added. It's important at this point to take a pen and a piece of paper and make a note of their names. In my case, I have Akiba installed, which is for taking backups, JCE, which is a replacement WYSIWYG editor, and XMAP for building sitemaps. Once you've made a note of these 3 extensions, of course you may have more or you may have none, go to the Modules menu and repeat the same process. Again, look for any modules that do not have the author Joomla project. So you can see here I have one called Slideshow and another one for the JCE. Make a note of those, go to the plugins and repeat the same process. So here you can see I have Simple Image Gallery by Joomla Works and the JCE editor. Finally, we need to look at our templates. Here we can see the list of templates that are installed on this website. In this case, the ones that are greyed out are the ones that are actually in use on your site. Those are the ones you need to look at. Here we can see I have 2 greyed outs, one called Green Style, which is my site template, and one called Kepri, which is my admin template. Kepri is the default Joomla admin template, so we don't need to look at that. But you do need to make a note of the template that is in use for the site. That's the template that your site visitors will see when they visit your website. Now that you've made a note of the components, modules, plugins and templates that have been added to your Joomla installation, you can go and find out and see if there are Joomla 3 versions of those available. You can either do that by searching for the author's own website, or you can go to the Joomla extensions directory. The Joomla extensions directory can be found at extensions.joomla.org. And here in the search box, you can search for the extensions that you've used. So we've now cleaned up our website, removed the trash, and made a note of all the add-ons that were installed on our site. We're now ready for the next stage of upgrading our website.